Since the earliest times, humankind looked to the sun, moon, and stars as entities thought to be either fixed or moving mysteriously across the sky. For many centuries, the Ptolemaic model prevailed, presenting the Earth at the center of the universe, with all celestial bodies revolving around it in solid crystalline spheres. The notion that the Earth itself was in motion and that every celestial body traced its own trajectory was revolutionary and shocking. Among these ancient concepts, a verse was revealed in the Holy Qur'an, describing the motion of celestial bodies with poetic beauty, precise wording, and scientifically astonishing accuracy. In Surah Al-Anbiya, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says of the sun and the moon, "And it is He who created the night and the day, and the sun and the moon. All heavenly bodies in an orbit are swimming." Furthermore, in Surah Yasin, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, "It is not allowable for the sun to reach the moon, nor does the night overtake the day, but each in an orbit is swimming." Let us pause for a moment on this concise yet profound expression. كل في فلك يسبحون. All heavenly bodies in an orbit are swimming. First, the word kullun, all. This word encompasses every element previously mentioned in the verse: the sun, the moon, and even the alternation of night and day as consequences of their motion. It affirms that motion is not restricted to one body over another, but rather it is a general characteristic of all these celestial bodies. Second, the word falakun, and orbit. In the Arabic language, the word falakun refers to a circular orbit. Its use affirms that these bodies are not wandering aimlessly in the heavens, but are bound to precise trajectories, whether circular or elliptical. This corresponds with the contemporary astronomical findings. Planets revolve around the sun, moons orbit their respective planets, and the solar system as a whole rotates around the galactic core, each within a defined orbit. Third, the word yasbahun, are swimming. The profound miraculousness lies in the Quranic use of the verb yasbahun. The Quran does not say they revolve or they run, but rather employs the term they swim. Swimming implies motion within a fluid medium, such as water or air, propelled by the body itself. This brilliant expression alludes to two profound facts. Number one, intrinsic motion. Each celestial body moves by its own inherent motion, not as a passive object being pushed along in crystalline sphere, as was previously believed. Number two, motion within a medium. The metaphor of swimming conveys the idea that these bodies move within a medium, the fabric of space, rather than in an absolute void. This corresponds with our modern understanding of space as not empty, but as space-time, a dynamic fabric that bends, ripples, and is permeated with electromagnetic fields and subatomic particles. The verse does not merely describe the motion of the sun and the moon, it distinguishes between them. It is not allowable for the sun to reach the moon. This indicates that each follows its own orbit and maintains its own velocity, such that neither can overtake or collide with the other. It constitutes an exact portrayal of the order of the solar system, wherein every planet and moon traces a distinct orbit that prevents collision with others. It is a cosmic symphony in perfect harmony, described by the Qur'an in brief yet profound words. At a time when people assumed that the earth to be motionless and the stars to be mere lamps suspended upon the dome of the sky, the Qur'an disclosed that all celestial bodies are in perpetual motion, each pursuing its own distinct orbit. This dynamic conception of the universe was both revolutionary and astonishing to human understanding in the 7th century. The Earth's motion and its revolution around the sun were not proven until nearly a millennium later by Copernicus and Galileo. How then can be the presence of such precise knowledge within an ancient text be accounted for? How could a man who neither studied astronomy nor employed a telescope present such a coherent and dynamic depiction of the universe? It is a call to behold the heavens with renewed vision. The celestial bodies are not merely points of light scattered across the darkness, but entities swimming in their orbits, testifying to the perfection of the Creator who brought this system into existence and described it in His book with a very eloquent and inimitable words. All heavenly bodies in an orbit are swimming. A single verse encapsulating a profound cosmic law. Should these words awaken a sense of wonder within you? We stand ready to accompany you on the continued journey of exploration and discovery. Whatever the question you have about Quran, Allah, and Islam, we are here to help you.
Salam Center for Advocacy and Dialogue.